we were about to walk out, but then we saw this machine with everything loaded up, sparkling, and we were wondering, will it pop or is it just kind of a graphical thing to entice you? So here we are, $100 in. Wifey's spinning. Okay, yeah, we just won $1 million. Many aces and things. These are wild, so. She's bouncing between $2 and $4, I think. Okay. We got all of those sparklers. Come on, double pop, let's go. Oh, okay, something popped, I think. No? It sounded like something popped. Did it? Oh, it did, yeah. Okay.
Double up bonus.
Double up bonus, finally. I wanted all three of them at the same time, so. She's pushing the... Okay. So we had to fill up everything. We have 3 spins. This is a 264 bet, right? So you have to hit spin after every time. Hit the spin button. Come on, we need to drop them. No way, not one dropped again. Oh my god, last spin just like... Oh, now the top one is not gonna get anymore, I don't think. Okay. We still win the grand if we just get the bottom row fill, I think so, right? Huge numbers. We finally got to pop something on this thing. We've tried a few times. Oh my god! Oh my god! Our friends are here. Hey. Okay. What's up? Oh my gosh! We saw this thing. We were about to walk out, and we saw all the sparklers, and we couldn't not do it. And then we came by, and then we got a little bit of a win here. But yeah, oh my god. Wifey got the bonus. I don't even know how to do this machine. Alright, is he gonna do it? Watch it be a huge whiff again. Please try again. I know. I like how it says it when you're in the bonus round, like, dude, we're trying as hard as we can. Oh, that would have been a huge line hit right there. The thing is not even done spinning. Oh, it's the card. No wonder. Oh god. It's our player card. No wonder. Okay, I was like, that is super rude if it's just telling you that was lame. Yeah. So I was like. Let's see now, because we got 2 features at once now. Let's see. What happens now? These don't be complete whiffs each time. I wonder if you fill up, because I know if you fill up one of the sides, or one of like the top or the bottom thing, it'll give you that grand for 10,000. I wonder if you fill them both up somehow miraculously, will it give 2 grand. Like, oh, that's crazy. That would be insane. Well, let's see some big numbers here.
It is already kind of big though.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's past. Yeah, it's getting there. It's good. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, I think you're gonna do it.
10,000.
That's it. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, the bottom one you need 5, right? 4. Come on. So if you got all 3 of the features at the same time, it's really, really strong. But like this one, I think is pretty good. It says double up and extra spins. So yeah, now you get more. Back to 3, right? Or no? Back to 3. Oh yeah, 4 more. Oh, game 2 is complete now, so in the top again. Let's get 3 more. 2 of them are showing. 2 more, yes. Can it happen? 1 of them is showing. The other one's not showing though, so I just don't. I've seen people's videos online where they have like, it's showing so they have a chance you can actually see it's showing up in the reel. But this one, like, there's only 1 of them is showing. Yeah, but that was good though. Good job. Wah, wah.